Let me show you an easy way to see your Instagram password, even if you forgot it. There are two primary places we'll look to see if that password is stored in the past, but even if you don't find it in any of those, there's an easy way to change it without necessarily knowing your old password. I'll show you how to do it. Now, first, let's open up the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, and let's check in here first. Let's tap on your profile at the bottom right, the three lines at the very top right. And from here, you'll be able to see a bunch of settings, but we need to get to your account center to be able to see that password and the ability to change it if you want to. So once we're in the account center, you can see towards the bottom is password and security. Let's just tap on that. And from here, change password. You'll be able to see an option for Facebook, but let's choose Instagram. And you can see the current password was updated in 2021, so about 4 years ago. Now, if you wanted to, you can always update it to a new password on here, or this might jog your memory on what that password might be. But it doesn't show you what that password is in the Instagram app for security reasons. However, there are other ways to see it. Let's swipe all the way over the app library. And on here, we're going to search for the Passwords app and open that up. Now let me use my Face ID to unlock this. After I've done that, let's just tap the search, or you can hit all, and we're going to search for Instagram and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your username and your password. Just tap on it to reveal. However, if you don't see it in here, keep in mind it might be associated with Chrome and saved on your Google account. So still in the app library, let's search for Chrome on here and open it up. Now, from here, all you need to do is tap on those three dots at the very bottom right, and then you can see Password Manager. Basically, this opens up a similar password manager that have passwords that are saved on Google. And again, on here, we will just search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, and you'll be able to see your username in addition to the password right in Google.